drove from Tirana to Velipoje because we had an idea. After exploring Google Maps, we noticed an interesting location on the border between Albania and Montenegro. Using a drone and accidentally crossing a border is probably the fastest way to get you kicked out of a country. This is not the best idea for a travel vlog. My name is Sai.
My name is Jeff.
Welcome to the first episode. Could be my last.
It's a little bit overcast.
This is the morning view of Velipoje.
Unfortunately, people, they've camped out here and they're not taking away the rubbish, which is a bit sad. Hey, Flory. You'll do anything for a good picture, right?
That's right.
We are incredibly close to the border with Montenegro, and as you can see in the distance, that white hut, zoom in, that is I guess a post for security to make sure people don't cross. Now, in terms of this beach, to be, whoa, a bit too close there. So in terms of this beach, I would not recommend it. I mean, it's more of a fisherman's place, great to have a walk, great place to camp out as well. But reality is the beach is not fantastic. The water is actually quite clear and crystal, but there are better places in Albania. Now, we would have some drone footage, but unfortunately, because we're at the border, we didn't think about this, but it seems that there's a bit of interference, which makes sense.
Yes.
Because they don't want drones going backwards or forwards.
It shows that cannot take off because they interfered. Please take off in another place.
2 hours later. 2,000 years later.
Like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
In our quest to find weird and wonderful places on the north coast of Albania, our next stop is just north of a town called Shingin. We are aiming to reach a sandy, duney beach that faces the mountain rock. We have been told that it's not an easily accessible location, but hey, that really makes us want to get there, right?
What do you think? Try or not?
Try or not to try? Do you want to get stuck? Are you sure about this, Flory?
Yes.
Holy crap! Oh shit, we need to stop. Are we stuck, Flory?
Yep. Good. So, you drive, I push you. Straight, other side. Yeah, other side, go, other side.
I can't see.
Go, like this, straight. Other side, yeah. Bye bye.
I don't know. We need to find a path. Was it worth getting stuck with the car? Probably not. But I'm glad we got here. We got to see the beach. It's average. If you want desolation, you definitely have that. We missed the mark by maybe 1.5 kilometers. We were meant to go more. further south, but it's too hot. We can't walk it, and we can't get there by car. Yeah, I'm cutting this out. It's just, I mean, but we did fly the drone, and you are good at it, so shall we just show that for a few seconds?
Just 5 seconds.
Yeah. Here's the drone. I'm gonna try and make it look pretty. Our final destination is the Lagoon of Patok. The village itself holds a surprisingly high number of restaurants, but it's my obsession with Google Maps that led me to find something in the middle of the lake.
Did we just find the Albanian answer to Venice? No, of course not. And you know, that is a good thing. You won't find hordes of tourists here, and nor you will need to pay a small fortune for a coffee. What you will find here is true Albanian hospitality. This small island was turned into a restaurant and opened in summer 2018. And judging by their honest plates of fish, I think they will do just great. Oh, and don't forget to order the buka misri.
So if there's one thing you need to get when you come here, there's this thing called buka misri.
Misri.
Misri. Buk
Misri.
buka misri. So get this, it's so good. You got the vegetables at the top, and at the bottom it's like this bread that's slightly fried. I don't know what they do with it. It's amazing.